Okay, cool, sorry. We good? We're on? Yeah, awesome. Let's do this. Okay. So, at least we are ready. I'm not full of... Hey, am I? No, we're winning. We're winning. For a second, I really was. I was convinced. I was like, oh my gosh, I just have grass everywhere. I do not though, so it's fine. We are A for away. We are good to go. Now, what is it gonna do? I regret many things. Not listening to myself during London was one of them. So, today I'm really gonna try focus. Really gonna try focus on mastering patience. That's so much easier said than done, but patience is key. Ooh, oh. Ooh. Okay, so equals above and equals below. Interesting. Nice. Let's see what happens. Though this is not our main focus. Our main focus is gonna be this. Hey, Bob! Welcome back. How's it going? How was the rest of your day yesterday? Mine was shocking. So I really need to try and aim for A+ setups today. Really need to try, or else I'm gonna blow my account, and I do not want to blow my account, please. On silly things. But yeah, that sounds about right. I had a look back at yesterday. It just looked chaotic yesterday. It was not a great trading day yesterday. So, Bob, you are my witness, and you must call me out if I'm not being good. I guess that's fair. It still sucks because why start a new one if you could just keep your one? I just hate blowing accounts. I don't know why. It feels like you've lost, if that makes sense. And I hate losing. I'm a little bit of a competitive brat sometimes. Anyways. Hey, Mark. You're new. How are you? Oh, thanks, Deadwolf. I appreciate that. Let's see. I'm going to try my best. I'm taking a page from Dark Angel. I'm going to try my best to be disciplined and only when there's A+ setups, take it, not take silly ones. Anyways. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, on ES, there's amazing equal lows. By the way, there's some beautiful looking equal lows on ES. Not so much here. So to be fair, ES has some equal lows and some equal highs. But the equal lows are a lot better, so let's see if it goes down for that or not. We appear, let's check what it looks like on the 15-minute now. Cool. So apparently no real structure on the 15. The 10-minute. Still no real, I mean, there's a lower high. However, there's not a lower low, so I guess we wait and see. Then I think we just stick to our guns with this. Anyways, how's everyone's morning? Right? Is majority morning? How's everyone's morning going? Has it been... I guess it's a bit early still, right? But I hope it's been going amazing. Sorry if I look a little bit messy. I literally just came from the stables. It was lots of fun. But I do a lot of work there, so like getting the grass ready and I did. Yeah. As you can see from the face, it's not a happy one. I can show you what happened if you want to see. So 3 losses. Yeah. So this one I don't feel too bad about because it looked like it wanted to be bearish. It was headed in a bearish direction, so I took the bearish. And I wasn't wrong, it just had a spike up and got me out. Second one. This one I should have known it did. Well, I say that. It didn't take like crazy liquidity, but anyways. Ooh, nice, Dead Wolf. That's awesome. This one, it kind of took some, but I really thought it would try and take this liquidity before it pumped up. Anyways, I got it in the pump up. This one was just dumb. I saw it was headed up and I took it, and that one is on me. So, So that's why I'm like, no. We need some A+ setups and we're gonna have some winning days. Right? Dead Wolf, are we in this? We got this. Dark Angel, hi! How you doing? Yeah, London, we're not gonna talk about London. Okay. Dark Angel, I'm channeling your inner strength. Yes. I am. I'm channeling your inner strength. I really need to wait for proper setups today, and if no proper setup comes, then no trading. Thank you, please. I need all of it because I was very bad this morning. Very bad this morning. I need to wait for proper setups, not just assume that they're gonna do things, right? Oh well. No, that's fair. Thank you. I appreciate that. But that is the plan. That is the plan. I know, I just don't want to blow my account. It's very close to being blown. I don't want to blow it. So I want to try and get in the green again. That we go up. Hey Heisenberg, what do you need? Well, you need a kick-ass setup. No, I'm joking. Microphone? Good camera? Lights? Yeah, I think those are the 3 main things. I think the microphone's pretty important. Sorry, did I just in your guys' ears? And a can-do attitude. But yeah, I'm pretty sure the main 3 things: camera, microphone, and decent lighting. Not really. No. And I have a really nice microphone, but that's about it. Then you just have... Oh, right. Sorry, Bob. You are correct. OBS. But that's pretty decent. So OBS, and then depending on where you want to stream, I think you're gonna have to research what's required of you. Yeah, depending on where you want to be streaming. Yeah, OBS is a good one. How do I explain OBS? So OBS is literally how I have me here, then the chart over there, as well as the chat up, and it shows, well, then I can place my music, I can do a bunch of things. Actually, OBS is awesome. Or Bob can make it super simple for you and just say recording stream software. But, I made that really complicated. Sorry. Ah, there we go. True. I think it depends on what type of quality you want. Yes. That's fine, Bob. Just go and steal the show. Whatever. No, I'm joking. But yeah, if you want decent, but I mean, there's some really, really decent, good quality microphones that aren't that expensive. Oh, hey Neil, how's it going? Where were you yesterday? I didn't see you. Okay, Demonte, let's see. Let's see. Wait. Aren't you on holiday? Aren't you supposed to be chilling? I ask you this every day, and every day I'm like, go chill. How are your legs feeling after the hike, by the way? Okay, good. Wait, aren't you... Are you trading? Or are you just watching? But, like I said, nah. To be fair, I don't really think I'd be able to either. I mean, I managed that week, but meh. True. No, that's valid. That is valid. You gotta stay on top of things. Oh, we are a minute away. I should maybe start focusing. Maybe it's just a thought. Maybe I need a focus. There we go. Well, it just shows how dedicated you are, and that's a good thing. Okay, here we go. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Cool, cool, cool. That was a wild opening. Now let's see if it stays doing things, or if we are just gonna jump around in place like we did yesterday. With a wick like this, it's not a strong start, is it? I know we still have 30 seconds, but still, let's have a look-see. Oh, Dark Angel, do you have a meeting? Is it meeting time? Wick down, little tap there. Awesome. Enjoy. And now we go. Okay. Today's focus is... What is today's focus? Discipline. That's... Discipline. Just discipline. Oh my gosh. But also just waiting for A+ setups. Not just taking everything and anything, because that's when I get rude. We want a good day today, right? We're gonna have a good day today. I'm putting it out there for everyone. We are all gonna have a good day today. Yes, we are. We've got this. Got the energy. We've got this. Okay, anyway, sorry, that was very lame, but it is what it is. Well, you guys are used to me being very lame by now. Okay. There we go. Took those equal lows. I thought it would come for those on ES. And it did very nicely as well. Woo, there we go. Okay, but now, is it gonna keep surging down? Or is there gonna be a turnaround? See, it took that, and now, what are we gonna do? So how big is this? Damn. 34 points. Decent. Okay, we have some decent sized candles. Right? Decent sized candles. Gosh, English is not Englishing. This is a good start. Good stream, Maya, honestly. Whoop. Oh my gosh, we're still going. Okay, there. 82 points. Damn. Hey Franks, how you doing? Short 7 on. Is that what you're in, Bob? Damn. Finally, indeed, Dark Angel. Hey Franks, how you doing? How's it going? Okay, let's make sure that there is actually a proper established trend. Well, that was like the quickest trade ever. Bob, you feeling happy chappy now, huh? Well done. Are you like, yeah, are you done for the day? 59 seconds. Holy cow. Are you like done now? You're just saying, yep, I'm good, I'm good. I have not. What's the benefit, perks of doing that? It's in the mix. It's in the mix, Bob. I got this. Well, it's in the cards. It's, how do I put this? It's on the to-do list and it's being done. 23590 sell side. Okay. Damn. Okay. Two, 3, 6, 9. What was it? 9, 6. Okay, cool. Damn, this is gonna be good. Wait, Bob, you didn't answer. Are you done for the day now? Was that your, like, one and done? Or are you still... Wow, amazing. Amazing. So now you can just chill. That was, like, the quickest trade ever. Okay, now... Neil, let's see. You want to see price close above here to respect the bullish trend. Let's see if it does. So, number one. Okay, it's now past 5 minutes. That makes sense. Okay. That does make sense, but I wonder if it's going to. It's kind of been going down. No. We've again kind of been in range the whole freaking time. Like I said, if we have a look here. 15. Oh, we're finally out. Okay. Bearish. Very much bearish. Awesome. Six, 7, 8 area. Yeah, there is. 100%. Which would be cool, I guess. Do we think we get a gap fill? I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm kind of waiting to see. Oof. Oof. Holy cow, there's a strong push on ES now. Strong. This is hectic. Have a look, Bob. Aren't things supposed to start picking up now that summer's nearly over? Isn't that a thing? I've heard it's a bit of a thing. Are things supposed to be picking up, getting going? I mean, to be fair, guys, August is nearly done. It's the 19th. Like 10 days left, I think. Wait, I have to do this thing. February, March, April, May, June, July. Oh, August. No, I lied. There's 31 days. Yeah, wow. That was quick. That was super quick. Curiosity is getting the better of me. I think that's pushing it a little bit. I don't think it'll go that high. True. True, those are the best meetings. Bob. "30-minute chance." Huh. No, you are right. Being held there. Wow. This looks really bad. If we actually have some respect for the whatchamacallit? Market structure today. Again, I need to remind myself, if there is no respect, do not take it. Okay. So would have gotten tagged in, however, it just took so much liquidity that it might start pushing bullish. One way to find out, wait and see. Patience. Patience is key. Patience is key today. Okay. Now, that was the most random thing. Nothing. Oh my gosh. Are you looking at things to go and watch? Is that what's going on right now? That was the most random thing you've ever said, but that was awesome. Yes, Maze Runner is really good. Thoroughly enjoyed. Has anyone... Okay, sorry, this I've been... No, that's fair. Okay. It kind of looks like it. I mean, check it how high it's climbed on ES. Can you guys see? Yes, kind of. Yeah, check it. There we go. It's about to there. Cool. Now it's taken those on the air, so now is it gonna drop or are we gonna just keep climbing? Keep climbing it is. Like, why does it look like it's doing what it did yesterday? With no structure. Well, okay, wait, no, I say that. There's structure at least on NQ for now. For now. Let's see if it carries on. Oh, Maddie, cutie. Harry's sleeping in his bed. Living the best dog life. Let's see if this would have been a win now. Again, I think it just freaks me out when the charts look so different. Demante, I'm going in your direction of shifting focus a tiny bit. Has anyone watched Bob's Burgers? I'm hoping that you guys have. If you haven't, Oh, it is. I'm binge watching it right now. I love it so much. Wouldn't you like to know? No, I'm joking. It's just tea. Just plain old tea. Because it's super, like, it's so weird down at the coast. Like, it's hot. Sorry, I'm saying like a lot. I'm so sorry. That'll... Anyways, it is super hot. Super hot. But it is so windy right now. And then my body gets all confused because it's like, it's hot. And then I stand outside. It's like, no, it's cold. So... Tina. Gosh, she's so cringe. I love Louise. I aspire to be like Louise. She is so cool. Oh, 100%. I tried to make one yesterday. That sounds very weird. I tried to make one of her noises, you know, when she just complains. Sorry for everyone that has not watched Bob's Burgers. This is a very weird conversation. You know, when she's just upset about life and she's just going, I tried so hard. No! You must be joking. Hey Ricky, how you doing? How you doing? Oh yeah, no, Louise doesn't care about anyone or well, no, she pretends not to care about anyone. Yeah, today's going okay. How's your trading day been going? I'm so grumpy right now. Okay, cool. Oh, amazing. Nice. Well done. That's awesome. So, winner chicken dinner. Yeah, I'm pretty salty right now. Because this is the trade I wanted to take. And I did not. Well done. That's amazing. Whoop whoop. Well done, Ricky. Oh, Bob! I didn't give you a whoop whoop. I'm so sorry. I'm trying really hard. Ooh, it's not going further yet. I'm going to try my bestest. Even if today is more like a forward testing day, I'm gonna try my best to be good. I was, yes. I did a terrible job. You must be joking. Oh my. Okay, cool. No, I'm sorry. What time did you hop on? I was around. I popped off at around 10:15 UK time. No. Yes. No. I lie. I'm talking absolute rubbish. I'm so sorry. 10:15 my time. Ooh, amazing. Bob, I forgot. Whoop whoop. You get a whoop whoop for earlier. Oh, this would have been a flipping winning trade. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Don't be salty. Don't be salty. Don't be salty. It's fine. Not really fine, but it's fine. It's again, but yes and no. This just helps me place where I want to place it. No, I don't think I do. Bob, I have this little gear and it helps me just trace it down. Keep my thing. Sorry, I'm very salty now, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. However, again, it's done it again where it is looking like it wants to be bullish on ES, but it is very much bearish on NQ. But that's what am I doing? Okay, so you stick with the trend. Stick with the trend. Now this will be a very good setup if it goes that far down or that far up to tag me in. Let's see. A 10 a.m. 4-hour candle is going to be juicy. Do you think so? I hope so. That would be awesome. Okay. Oh, this could go a little bit higher. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. I also can't get upset. Anyways. Well, let's hope it's not now that I am in this. Okay, well, I stuck with my rules. So I can't be upset about that. Let's have a look here if I do that. Oh, okay. Whee! Sorry, I'm having just a little bit too much fun right now. Okay. Oh, flip. Maybe I need to stop that. Maya, just focus. No, you're right, you're right. I'm trying not to. So I'm sticking, you know, here is the trend. There's very much higher high, lower high, lower low, lower low, you know, so it's created the lower low. Oh, I'm sorry. No. No, I'm sticking with it. This is scaring me a little bit. This consolidation is making me a little bit nervous. So we have a decent fair value gap here and this, so okay. Theoretically, should be fine. That sounds about right. Yep. So now, yeah. Maybe it's just a good day because there isn't supposed to be any news or anything. Is that what you asking? Why it's actually moving decently today for a change? So, Dark Angel, I'm low-key freaking out a little bit because ES is bullish. But this is very much bearish. Okay. Well, I'm in. If it goes, it goes. I stuck to my rules, so I can't be upset about that. It's gonna go. Well, I mean, then how do you ever trade anything? Like, that's... sounds very bad, but you know. It says, you know... Oh, English has left the building. There's no more English. English is gone. Goodbye, English. Okay. Hands off, just sip your tea, Maya. Sip and shush. Oh, that's fair. Well, sorry, that's the wind coming through. Yeah, the pencil for me and my dog. Oh my goodness. I did see that, and I was thinking of you, Limcurse. That's the thing, I did see it. I was thinking of you. I did consider that. These aren't fib settings. I have looked into the OTE strategy. It's not for me. I've tried it. Didn't work so well. Not that there's anything wrong with it, just wasn't for me. Yep. It wants to push them. All I know is that I'm in this thing right now. It goes up, it goes up. Kinda looks like it wants to, but... You think 720? Oh, I guess, yeah. Well, it appears to be consolidating again now. I do. I will put it up for you. I mean, oh, possibly because of the fact, so this is where I get annoyed, right? Yes, it had this amazing rip down. Why did it come down again? There was it, well, I guess it came down on, no, it didn't. I was gonna say it came down on ES, but it did not. I was gonna say it came down nicely. It didn't even take any major liquidity. If it took major liquidity, awesome. If not, but it didn't. Anyways. On QQQ. I'll have a look at that. Also, hi Cougar, how are you doing? How's it going? Yeah, Bob, you got in a good one. Oh, interesting. I mean, it's now just messing around there, isn't it? True, well... I guess we are waiting to see. Okay. Kind of looks like it's trapped between two fair value gaps, to be fair. Yep. Just tapped into VWAP. Well, not even, it barely. Looks like it wanted to tap into VWAP on ES. Sorry guys, I am listening, just also focused on my trade. Yeah. Do I add to winners? No. Yoch, that candle is jumping around like a mad lad on ES right now. Thank you. Dark Angel, how's it looking for you, by the way? Yeah, shoot. Not shoot. Oh my gosh, this is such a stressful freaking... Anyways. Yeah, no, that's what I'm busy watching. I'm watching ES. And I'm freaking out a little bit. But it's in the... I'm so confused. Oh. There was a big push. Yeah, not gonna lie, this is not a great trade to be in right now. Frick frack snick snack. I am so confused right now. Okay. Okay, well then in that case, when it goes down a little bit more, if it goes down again, nope. Took it. Took the high on ES. Now is it gonna go back down? Or is it just gonna keep ripping up? Let's see, Cougar. Four, three, two, one. Up, up, and away it is, apparently. Damn. There we go. Okay, closed it. If it comes back down now, I'm going to have an absolute mini meltdown. Holy crap. Cool, so at least I didn't lose all of it. Cougar, called it. Nice. Well, I mean, to be fair, I was doubting hard. Yep. So then, if it looked like this... Oh, poopies! Check here! Nope, not that. Oh, no, it would have just missed me. Would have been even worse. Okay, so now we are this way, inclined. Quite a decent one if it comes back into it. If it comes back into it, I'm not sure if it will. What I'm taking from this is trust ES's structure. It still has not broke. Kind of breaks me. Okay, let's see. Oh, of course you can. Go for it, Lim Cruise. Lim Cruise. Lim Cruise. I'm so sorry. English has left the building. Yeah. So Dark Angel, no good setups for you? Not really. How's it look? Yeah, sorry, listen. I am English and it's not going great for me today, so it's fine. Oh, okay. Oh, awesome. What? It's Silver Bullet Day. That's exciting. I do not think it's gonna come this far down, but you never know. Huh. Here we go. I'm not saying I'm super comfortable either right now, but it is what it is, so let's see. Thank you is the weak pair though. No, you're right. It's not. I mean, check at ES. ES is looking redonkulous, and I don't say redonkulous very often. Oh goodness, here we go. Ooh, here goes drama. Don't worry, that's like Diamante. Diamante. I don't know if you're still here. He had a very controversial one the other day. I was like, oh my gosh. Started rubbish. I agree with Dark Angel on this one, sorry. But, you know, if you have a trade that works for you, then amazing. Okay, cool. Just checking. What was it you said the other day? And I said you're gonna cause drama. Because you did. You said something. I was like, oh, okay. What was it? You did say something. Was it London yesterday that you said it? I think so. That one. Sorry, now I'm causing drama. How much profit for today? None. Not looking great today. Well. Let's see, how's it going for you, Be Cool? Good day, bad day, great day. I'm hoping it's a great day for you. And we are consolidating again. This is fun. Yep, it's fun. I'm sorry. You know, and Truth Bob, sorry Bob, I know I keep saying that. Don't know if you're still watching, but Truth Bob, the one I didn't take would have worked beautifully. The one I did take did not work at all. Why is it always like that? Anyways. Okay. And there's the drama. Anyways. Oh, sorry, Cougar. I think you asked me about my fib. This was the fib settings. If I'm not mistaken. Don't think you can see that. There we go. You see that? This was the fib I tried. If that helps. So yes, I must say it is what I have come to realize from my short few months. Oh my god, no, oh my goodness, okay, dokie. Anyways. Damn, I think I can just sit back and watch the drama unfold. Anyone else want to come at anyways? No? No? For me, in my opinion, again, I don't know that much. Obviously, I don't have years and years of experience like most of you guys do. But very much like what Dark Angel said, I think everything works if you understand it. Right? Some people just don't understand. So for some people, the ICT just makes perfect sense. And they just go, that's what I want to do. There we go. That sounded a little bit fairy tale-ish, but yes, you are right. Everything works if you believe. That sounds very fairy tale. Everything works if you just add a little sprinkle of hope and dreams onto it. By way off. Interesting. Oh, and there goes Diamante starting rubbish. Cool. A+ setup. A+ setup's only this. Stupid. Anyways. Let's see. Cool. Now it looks like it wants to go bearish. No? Okay. Thanks, Dark Angel. 100%. At the end of the day, does it really matter? If it works for you, it works for you. Right? Yes. Awesome. So if ICT works for you, amazing. If not, then don't use it. No, but that is true. Full stop. There's no buts here. Did I miss the tag in? Shoot. No, that's then just people believing what they want to believe. And you let them believe what they want to believe. If people, you know, it's like, oh gosh, no, I can't say that. That's gonna also start drama. Neil. Hell yeah. We can all have our methods. Like I said. The real thing we need to conquer is the bloody stock market. Calls are gonna dip now? Kinda looks like it, huh? Oh, Dark Angel coming here with the cold hard facts and like stabbing me in the chest. That was brutal. I didn't need that level of honesty today. Damn, I'm glad I didn't do that. What the heck? Why are we doing this no proper structure freaking thing again today? Like I said, I'm gonna just keep waiting until there's some proper structure again. What is the time? There's a probability to upside and overnight. That makes sense, Cougar. What's the time in SA? It is officially 4:17 in the evening. So it's in the PM. So it's still nice and, well, I say nice. It's lightish outside. Just super windy today. Super windy. It was really nice this morning. And then out of nowhere, I mean, it's the coastal winds and it's August here. August is like super windy season. Dark Angel, girl, please. Oh, flip. Yeah, listen. I even gave myself a pep talk before this session. I was like, no. I only do A+, and I thought that one was an A+, and it was not an A+. It's fine. I thought this one was a no-no because of this major drop down. It took liquidity. I thought it was going to do the reversal then, but it didn't. That would have been such a beautiful win. So I thought, oh, you know, didn't take any hectic stuff here on ES. Took everything on, I mean, not ES. NQ. Cougar, you think the movement's going to be up? Diamante, you think it's going to be short. Let's have a look-see. I'm just setting up. I'm not placing a trade before anyone... Oh, gosh. Before anyone gets excited. I'm not placing anything or setting anything. I'm just looking. Oh, would have tagged me in. If this would have been a win or not. Cougar, is this going to be 2 for 2? Let's have a look. It's about to... Has kind of broken structure on ES. Not... anyways. That's so cool. Thank you. Are you in London right now? That's so cool. Sorry, I don't know why. I'm like, oh my gosh. So do you normally trade the London? Or is New York just better for you? Out of curiosity. I mean, you're in London. You would assume London... Sorry. Random question, talking rubbish, but... Yeah. Also, how long have you been trading, Cougar? I'm just here with my tea. I'm enjoying this. I'm waiting to see who's gonna be right, Cougar or Diamante. Now I'm having a look. $700 to $680. I guess. It's a very small one. What I mean. And stop at 7:30. I'm having a look-see. Who's gonna be right? Emojio? Am I saying that right? Emojio? Okay, wait. Cougar, You trade London, majority. I normally spend money. Oh, amazing and profitable. How's it looking for you? So, I recently started trading London, like literally last week Thursday. So I've been trading London for 4 days. It's very well, like it's same but different. Just the volatility and volume is just different. Okay. Yeah, interesting. Okay. Like I said, I'm kind of waiting now to see who's right. Kugo Diamante. Is it going to be a sell or is it going to be a buy? I'm not doing either right now. Like I said, I'm waiting for A+ setups, except this does look like it's decent, but it's fine. Hey Frankie B, how you doing? Sorry, Mojio. I am with a prop firm. Yes, I am with Tradeify. Mainly because it's all we can, well, not all, there are others, but there's not a lot of prop firms that you can get in South Africa. Yeah. Frankie B, hey, how you doing? How's it going? How's your trading day? Ah, look at it go. Is it going? No. Frankie B, that is the worst thing in the whole world. That right there made me sad. I understand that feeling all too well. I've had it so many times where it literally... Well, sometimes I just don't get tagged by a tick. Just by a little point. That, oh my gosh, there's nothing that grinds my gears more. And then you just feel so yucky the rest of the day. Dead Wolf, how do you know Frankie B? Yeah, Frankie B, there's always more. There's always more trades. That's what I have to sometimes keep reminding myself. There's always going to be another trade. It's going to be a win or lose. There's always going to be another one. Well, let's have a look, Diamante. Oh, it kind of looks like it wants to go back up. This is what I said earlier about there's no proper freaking structure right now. And when there's no structure, I have to remind myself that means no trading. No structure, no trade. Structure, no trade. Ugh, anyways. Well, I'm looking at ES right now. I know I'm not trading ES, but I saw ES was bullish earlier when this was bearish, and that's what screwed me. Yeah, but this is fun to know that I could have had a 2-hour win right now. Okay. How do you guys know each other? Dead Wolf and Frankie B? Oh, I'm sorry, Dog Angel. Why? What's up? Really? You don't think there's a pattern in the market? I knew it. I could just sense it. You guys are funny. There we go. Oh man. Which you are working on, Dark Angel. Don't discount that. Or discard, not discount. Don't discard that. You are working on it, and you are getting there. Oh, here we go properly, damn. Cool. There. Oh my gosh, that was brilliant. That was so smooth. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Oh my gosh, yes, overthinking is a major problem. Love it. Yes, yes, it is. All that liquidity. Okay. We have Kugo 1, Diamante 1. Kugo was right earlier. Diamante, you were spot on. Yeah, well done. Frankie B, how you been? Yep. Well. Oh, true, you did. You did say bye. No, you are right. You are correct. Forgot about that. Yeah. Very strong going down now. Yeah, don't leave Dead Wolf hanging. That's rude. I love that. Oh, making biscuits and paws on my tongue. I've never heard that. That is amazing. Oh, I love that. I will see structure. Yeah, I'm getting there. Oh, on that. Interesting. You think so? I've had a look at it. It just confuses my brain a bit. We've had this, but we've had such decent movement down. Okay, we're gonna try this. We're gonna do this. I don't know if this is a bad idea. I don't think it's gonna go that high up now. But yeah, come on, Frankie B. Don't be that guy. Tell us the truth now. Interesting. I've had a look at it before. Hey, trade together. How's it going? Like that, like that. Let's have a look. Problem is now, if it starts going up, I'm gonna be doubting everything. There's another one at 580. Oh, interesting. Now the problem is, hi Bob, you're being very quiet, by the way. Problem is, I'm doubting everything now, so that's fun. And this is hectic movement. Hectic movement. Oh, nice. Okay. Well, you haven't missed much, to be fair. Wow, Dead Wolf. Oh yeah, Dark Angel, this is driving me absolutely crazy, but it's fine. It is what it is, I guess. Like I said, even if today is mostly just kind of forward testing, I guess you could call it that. Dead Wolf. Now we all mad at you. You two are brilliant. Yeah, Bob, you missed some good stuff going on here with these two new awesome guys. Well, I'm assuming. Two new awesome people. Let me not say, let's just say people. People, good. No more assuming. Missed the tag. So I'm just here playing with the shell. It depends. What are you gonna make for dinner? It has to be something really good to make up for that. Just saying. Has to be something super special. And seeming as you guys are lovers, you should know what his favorite dish is. I'm just saying. No pressure, Dead Wolf. No pressure. Yeah, so, yeah. Sorry guys, it's not gonna be the most entertaining day. It's just say that, but you know. Hey liquidity provider, how's it going? Oh, you're gonna do some spicy stuff, I like it. You're gonna do the whole spaghetti thing. Damn. Is it damn? I actually don't know. Anyways, how's it going, LP? Frankie B, now you have to tell us. Is this your favorite meal? Does Dead Wolf just get you? Damn, just didn't come high enough. Would have been a goodie though. Okay, watching on ES. Dark Angel? That was so brilliant. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I'm sorry. You missed some hectic stuff. This would have been a beautiful win. So I thought, hey, because it didn't take any liquidity here, but it took some on ES, then it screwed me. That I missed this one. Would have been beautiful. That was my bad. I should have listened to Demante. And now, didn't get in on that one. It did take some liquidity now. So I wonder if this is going to be something. Huh. If it is, I think this one will be decent. 6. Could be wrong though. You never know. No, okay, no, you are valid. He did say it, but that was just so on point. That was amazing. Part of me is so disappointed I didn't think of that. That was brilliant. Absolutely inspiring. Now this will be nice to be in, but I don't think it's gonna come far enough down. Hey, how's it going? So, fun fact, my parents are in Uruguay. How cool. So you are like down the road from them. Why are they in Uruguay? Just because they can be, I guess. Oh, no, with all the liquidity it's getting, it might have a little bit of a shift. Now you want to come and do what I wanted you to do. Really? Really? You must be joking. Didn't tap into it. Perfect. It didn't take that. Yeah, okay, anyways. DDS, that is so cool. Yes, I am born and raised South Africa. However, I am half Portuguese. Yeah, on my father's side. But then they moved to Uruguay. No, I'm so scared, but it's fine. I'm in this now. Now, poop, it's not gonna come time. Anyways. Wow. Dead Wolf? I see who the tramp is now, hey? Sorry, I had to take that little page from Dark Angel. That was brilliant. Still not over it. That was awesome. Maybe it's not gonna come high. Or it is. If it starts consolidating, I want out. Nope. Would have been good. It just didn't come and tag me in. Damn. Would have been amazing if it came to tag me in. Damn, Deadwolf, you strict. No beer until Friday. Damn. You strict. Just saying. You would think that, but I did a short earlier and got screwed, so maybe not. Unless I'm just that unlucky, which could be. Yeah, I know. It did. It got me screwed properly. Oh well, it is what it is. Oh my gosh, this is a little bit risque. It's tiny. Sure, Dark Angel, well done. To be fair, I'm not a beer person. Well, no. Not really. Not really a beer person. To be honest, I don't really drink that often. I think that sip of champagne is the most I've had in a long time. Which does mean I'm a proper lightweight. Yeah. Oh, interesting. I would say me too, but oh wait, yep. It hasn't taken London low just yet. I think one more tiny spike down and then it might be a reversal. Someone say something about wine. Okay, why not? I think I'm funny. Wine, yes. I used to only drink wine, to be fair. I wouldn't drink anything else. Also, hello, how are you? When else did you have some wine on Friday? By the way. This might be the reversal, LP. Oof, amazing. You feel happy and good and amazing. And happy, good, and amazing. Also, how's your trading day been going, AP? No, all valid and accurate. And valid again. And accurate again. I love it. Well done. Well done. It's the only way to do it. Let's see if this is the reversal. LP, let's have a look-see. The consolidation says most likely. Let's see, I'm forward testing for if there is a reversal. You have it as a stop. Buy stop and see. Not a buy stop. It is, no? Am I being dumb? Yeah, no, I was right. Not being dumb, just having a moment. It's fine. We're all fine here, it's okay. It doesn't have as much momentum as I thought it would have. Okay, just shove your nose in my armpit, that's fine. Hello everybody, say hi. Hi, bye. Okay, that was it. Bye. Oh shoot, I thought it was gonna... Man. I thought that was gonna be it. Okay, well, tapped into London low. You must be absolutely freaking kidding me. I thought that was gonna be the reversal. $5.50. No, I'm being good. I'm being good. I'm sticking to my rules, Diamante. Sticking to the rules. Yep. You say that. It just took London low. It's just so itty bitty small. An old London low. Maybe you just wanted that. I was gonna say, if this now actually works, what the heck? Yep, it definitely did. So that's why I think this might be the reversal. But watch, it kind of looks like... I mean, there's a fight going on. Well, Games of Throning it again. That's exactly. It is heavy. I think it's gonna go down still. It's heavier on ES than it is on NQ. No ways. You think so? You don't think this is the shift? Diamante. But you weren't trading. You say that, and every time I do that, it screws me. I don't know, this consolidation's making me think it wants to push up. Yeah, this is quite tricky. Ah, here we go. Tell him, Dark Angel. Tell him. I mean, it's a bunch of liquidity sitting around here. Check. Here's some. Here's some. There's a little bit. There's some. I do hear what you're saying, up to where, but sometimes it just goes up. To nowhere. Ooh, Diamante, you in trouble. Dark Angel, get him. For a short or a long? 731. Yeah, they did. One hike. You need to go on like 5 hikes. Hey, Jubies? I want to say samesies. Okay, cool. So that would have been a losing trade. I'm glad I did not do that. Devante, that was not the point of vacation. You wanted to go away on vacation to recharge. Can't say one hike recharged you. But if it did, good for you. You do you, baby boo. Well, we've lost the momentum. Nothing relaxes you more than making money. However, nothing stresses you out more than losing money. Just saying. For both of you. Well, nothing stresses me out more than losing money, at least. And tell me if I'm wrong. I wonder if there is going to be a shift now. The momentum's really not great. I thought there'll be a lot more momentum. So, okay. LP, are you hopping on for a short or a long? Noted. Okay. I must liven it up. Ooh, well done. I get that. But it just took all that liquidity. And that's why I'm staying out of it right now. Yeah, no, that's... Yeah. That was me this morning. Stupid mistakes. Stupid mistakes. That market's very full right now. Okay, let's see. This one kind of decides it, I guess. Yeah, 100, obviously. Obviously. That's how it works. When I'm like, oh, we're definitely doing this, it goes and does the complete opposite of what I wanted to do. It's lots of fun. Yeah. Again, no, because I did, and I did not make money. Yeah, that's why I'm kind of staying out of it right now. Let's see if it breaks trend. It didn't break trend on NQ. Yeah, it's valid. Sometimes there's... no, never mind. I was gonna say sometimes there's sure things, but that's a bunch of rubbish. There's no such thing as a sure thing. Yep. Ooh. Haven't broken yet. There it goes. Holy moly. Okay then. Well done, well done. Very, very good. Don't know if it will, but if it does come back up, I will go for a short. Oof. Holy... Oh, 60? Damn, okay. Yep. Ah, interesting. Okay. No. Monte, I'm sticking to my rules. I'm not gonna just sell things. I'm being good. I really want to, but no, I'm being good. And taking that on ES. Yep. This is a squeeze, alright. No, I do know. I do know. I mean, you can see market structure. It's a very freaking nice market structure. I've just been second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth guessing every single trade. Well done, good trade. Very, very good. FVG starts at 5:08. Oh. Are you getting in on that, Dark Angel? Here's the momentum, kind of. No, why? Why? Just doubting all of it. I hear that. As you can see, because now we have proper impulsion upwards. Well, let's try. The momentum up scares me a little bit, but let's see. Don't fight the trend, go with the trend. This is with the trend. Let's see. Oh, yeah, no, that's valid. Oh my gosh! Diamante! Make up your mind. Say stick with the trend, don't stick with the trend. I'm sticking with the trend, now you think don't do that. Okay, big buyer's stepping in. Cool. Then I'll leave it. Let's see if this would have worked. Oh my gosh. Can you see my brain is just going today? Yeah, I guess. Okay. Watch it go down now. Ah, my elbow. All the chase is getting in. Yeah, probably. Isn't most of my problems because I was just too careful? Anyways. No, that's not right. That's actually some really good advice. Thanks, Lim Curse. I keep wanting to call you Lim Cruise. I'm sorry, Lim Curse. Just because you're cruising. Yeah. And you know what? It's fine. Like I said, even if it's a day to just re-establish. Not every day will be my day. Well, work. To have a day that's my day would be great. Oh, wouldn't have tagged me in. How rude. I hear you. But isn't it... this is always the thing that gets me. Isn't every trade a little bit scary? In a way. No? Okay. Really? Okay, but there we go. To be fair, you have got like 11 years on me. True. No, I know, you said this earlier and it was and still is a very good point. It's all part of the game. Buy zone, trade together. You did call it. Curiosity, I'm just gonna do this quick. Yeah, I wouldn't have gone in, no. Let's see if it goes up. See if there is a shift. It has calmed down a little bit now. I'm gonna stick around still. I don't know if I'm gonna put another trade in. Maybe my brain's just fried for today. And you know what? It is what it is. Not every day is a trade everything you can day, so it's fine. I did that early and it screwed me, so it's fine. I'm gonna watch. The more I watch, the more I learn. The better trader, right? At the end of the day. And then I learn from you guys, which is also basically the point of this channel. Learn from everyone else around us. I'm still gonna stick around until like 5:30 my time. What time is that? That would be 11:30. Yes, 11:30 for New York time. Practice makes... There's no such thing as perfect. Practice makes progress. That's what I have to keep telling myself. There's no such thing as perfect, but there is progress. And practice makes progress. And the more you progress, the better you are. Are you? Learn from my mistakes. There we go. Interesting. I mean, this consolidation here is a little bit questionable. Yeah. Wow, still waiting to see. I think this either would have missed me by a point or just tagged me in. But now to see if this would have been a win or not. I feel like it's waiting for the push-up, but yeah. Oh, okay. Bye. Are you done? No trades in today. Ah, poo. Okay, enjoy. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, good luck with work. Good luck for the PM. I hope there's a good trade for you. Volumes try again, Mark. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed for you. Okay, Dark Angel, you've got this. Huh. Cheers, Dark Angel. Enjoy. See you tomorrow. Interesting. Let's see. If this goes to my TP, I'm gonna be grumpy. And this is what I mean by the second guessing everything part. However, the volume has slowed down a lot now. And it is wicking. There we go. A lot of wicking going on at the moment. And is this the push? This might be the push. Ready, set, no go. Go. Kind of go. Yeah, tell it, Deadwolf. Let's go. Yes. Maybe flipping, huh? Don't worry, I'm not in it. Was just to get people in. See, I'm getting better. I'm starting to see them. I'm really trying. I'm trying my best. Don't get me wrong, I still make the mistakes. Let's see if it would have taken me out. I'm trying so hard. I used to not have any patience at all. At all. This is very much lots and lots of practice. And you know, practice makes progress. I have to keep repeating that in my head to stop me from doing silly things. So practice makes progress. Don't do silly trades. I'm really trying. I used to make the worst trades. Sorry, I have hiccups. I used to make the worst trades because of patience and not following my rules and just second guessing and doubting everything. I'm kind of doing that a little bit today, but at least I'm not second guessing, doubting everything and still placing trades. Because that's the difference. I used to then just place trades and be like, whatever happens, happens. Which is not the right way to trade. You stick to your strategy and you try and even out the odds. Yes, and that's what we are doing. Oh, I like that. Practice makes permanent. I really like that. Well, there's no, yes, no. You're right. I really, really like that. That's awesome. I'm gonna seal that. Also, emoji. I'm gonna take that into consideration, what you said about my thumbnail. Does everyone else agree? My thumbnail a little bit meh. Do I need a cooler thumbnail? I can go make a cooler thumbnail. Or do you guys not care enough? I know that's also like some people make a lot of, yeah. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. I'm really, really trying. I'm really trying. Deadwolf, you are freaking awesome. You would be fun to go and have a beer with, just not after giving blood. Maybe that's a bad idea. Don't have a beer after giving blood. That's, I mean, or do. Very cheap date, I guess. Here I am coming with bad advice. Don't listen to anything I just said. listen to what. Always give 100% except when giving blood. Yes. Speaking of, I need to actually go and do that again. I stopped for a while because I got a tattoo and you can't give blood, I think, for 3 months after you get a tattoo. Something like that. But now I'm pretty sure it's been 3 months, so I can actually go and give blood again. Sorry. Deadwolf, this is your fault. You put me on a little rant. Volumes dried up properly now. Wow, what happened? They run on lunch, going on lunch. That might be it. Don't know, I'm just gonna blame you. This is your fault. Fine. Deadwolf, I don't recall. No, you did not. I can't remember. Did you tell me how long you've been trading for? You did. Nice. You did tell me because I remember going, oh, yay, it's not just me, that's a little baby. Financial juice, what is that? Is that a prop firm? Long from 556. Okay, let's see. I mean, it's going very slowly. Let's see how that trade works out. Meta stocks. Okay. Hey, order flow trader. It's going me good, but I don't know how to explain today. Today I missed a lot of trades, which obviously sucks. Yeah. Ah, thank you. Yeah, this sucks a lot, but anyways. Exactly, and that is the main point, right? We're here to have fun and learn. Well, kind of. Yeah, we're learning while we're having fun. Like, I don't know. School of fun things. Order flow comes and sales. Yep. It's okay. Hey, Deadwolf, we've got this. We are learning. We're figuring this all out. It does look like it wants to start going up. So, liquidity provider, I hope this works out for you. It does look like it, but the volume's just so dry now. I will never say trading is easy. Trading isn't complicated, but it's not easy. Oh, Diamanta says don't interpret news. Good question. So, maybe we should have a vote. Who would like to see me trying Sierra charts? Would you guys like to see that? Would it be interesting to see Sierra charts? Is it something you guys would be like, oh, this is awesome, or me? Sorry, that was like a thing that flew up my face. Let price action speak. Well, right now it... One tile. It's much easier for start. Interesting. Let's say you have the parameters set already for Sierra, and you understand it and you've simplified it. So I just heard someone like yell, so I'm like, okay, cool, we're fine, we're fine. We need to change for setting alert and jogging setups, okay? So I'm listening. Sorry, I'm just, that's why I'm being quiet. Sorry guys, I'm reading everything. Oh, that is interesting. Okay, I'm gonna have to have a look at that. Oh no. Liquidity provider, are you break even? Or plug and play? Huh. Interesting. Ooh, amazing. Well done. So you had a good day. I take it, order flow trader. Sorry, I don't even think I asked you how it went. I'm so sorry. I'm glad you had a good day. Well done. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That really, really sucked. That is awful, but guess it's better than a loss, right? Gotta look at the bright side. Oh my gosh, this is now... Oh. This sucks. Like I said, I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. A few more minutes. Gosh, like things have just stopped working. The brain, the mouth. I'm waiting for the eyes to lose it. If I start doing this, you know, it's time. So I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes and see if price action becomes a little bit better. Let's see if we have something. If not, then this is just it for today, and I will try again tomorrow, right? I need to just remind myself that no trade is still trading. You do not put a trade in because you do not have your setup, it's still trading. You see, I'm just having to repeat this to myself the whole time, or else I want to just put a trade in so that I have a trade. But that's bad. We do not do that. We do not do that. Mindset. Yes. Gotta be better. Sorry, that was my little pep talk. I hope that helped you guys out. The news came out at 10:30. Really? Trump tariffs affecting me, specific me like. Oh, that's interesting. See, I kind of stay away from the news, so I didn't know that. I didn't know Trump did that now. Sounds about right. With regards to trading or fiction? You gotta help me out here. Who, the orange Teletubby? Obviously. Obviously. Non-fiction and trading, okay. Ooh, Rich Dad Poor Dad's a good one. I've watched that. I've read that. Do you see? Okay, brain's just gone. Thanks. Cheers. The Jungle Book, Demonter. Okay. Financial juice. Okay, I must have a look at that. I know you mentioned it earlier, Dimantia, but just... Huh. See. You asked, and there are the answers. Damn. I mean, there's a little bit more price action going on now. Tiny bit. Not much, though. Let's see. Let's look like this. Why are we becoming volatile all of a sudden? Yep. Now we're going up. So if this was here... Ta-da! Nope, wrong thing. Come on, Maya, can we please just get a grip? Oh, would have missed me by a point. Yeah. Now I'm all confused because I don't know. Hunter, you funny, eh? Coming here with your smart ass comments today. I have a book about finances, but it's not to do with trading. I also cannot say it on live because it has bad words. So it's really entertaining. Oh sure, I can explain it. It's pretty simple. So trend, let's find where it actually would have worked. I missed so many. Okay. Okay. Let's do it from the spike. Literally spiked up. So I missed this one. Spiked up. We have established a trend. You follow it down. Okay, so that one missed. Here we go. This one was pretty decent. This one would have worked for both if I'd left it or if I'd taken... Okay. So, following with the trend. Main thing. You guys think so? Huh, okay. Huh. Thank you for that. Pull back profit. Okay, cool. Sorry, Dead Wolf. There we go. So I literally just follow the trend down where there's a little spike. Draw my GAN. At the 50% is where the entry is. At around 30% is where stop loss is, and then 2R is where TP is. Yeah, that's basically it. And then you just follow that. So this one wouldn't have worked just because of that random spike it freaking had. But if we go here... Okay, well, here you also have to watch for liquidity. Ooh, would have just been stopped out. But now if we reverse it, which is what I was having a look at, that's basically it. It's fairly sweet and simple. Aw, thank you. Much appreciated, but you are correct. Audience is amazing. Yeah, super simple. Like I said, I had a more complicated one and it was getting into my head. And I was overthinking everything, and then I was making silly mistakes, and then I was revenge trading to try and make up for the mistakes I was making. And it was just as like disaster. So that's why I've taken a little bit of a step back to something a little bit more simple. It used to literally be, so I upgraded it a little bit. I used to literally just take a box, draw the box, and have it 1-to-1, and that was it. Would have been 1-to-1 R, 50 at the 50%, so where this little line is, at the 50% is the entry. But obviously then you need a very high win rate to actually make any profit. So that's when I modified it a little bit to have the stop a little bit lower, and the win rate is now 2R. Hope that helped a little bit. Okay, cool. I'm gonna hop off because this is now a little bit dead. 1-to-1 messes with your head, yes. So that's exactly. So I made it like super simple. They made it a little bit like, just took it a step further, and then that's it. That is the strategy. Plain and simple. So basically just the retracement, or yes, corrections. Everyone calls it something different. But those back up, tag you in, and it either melts or goes up. No, Diamante. One risk, two reward. Yeah, okay, but on that note, seeming as it has dried up and we're literally in a straight line busy barcoding, yeah, I'm gonna call it there, but I will be back tomorrow. London and New York open. Let's do this. Oh, check. We got a little bit of movement. Okay, a little bit. But I will be back here tomorrow, guys. I'm looking forward to it. Today was actually, I know I didn't really put that many trades in and it was more forward testing, but I've learned a lot from you guys today. Oh, nice. Well done, Diamante. Damn. Oh, you do. You're right. You really do. Okay. But I will be back tomorrow. Mojo, see you then. I'm gonna work on my thumbnail just for you, okay? I promise. Promise. But I love you guys madly. See you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.